Alright traders, let's dive into the USD JPY technical analysis. Today, I'm focusing on a short-term bullish outlook for this pair, expecting a rebound from a key pivot level. First, let's talk about our trend expectation. We're predicting a bullish movement for USD JPY. And here's why: the pivot point we're watching is 148.60. This level is crucial. If the price stays above 148.60, the strategy is to go long, or in simpler terms, buy. Right now, the price is around 149.763, which is above the pivot. This suggests a potential bullish setup. Now, let's look at our target levels. The first resistance level, or R1, is at 154.35. The second resistance level, or R2, is at 156.50. If the price continues to move up, there's even potential for targets beyond these levels. Here's the trading implication. If the price stays above 148.60, consider long positions. But if it falls below 148.60, the bullish outlook becomes invalid. Use the resistance levels at 154.35 and 156.50 as your take profit points. To sum it all up, this is a bullish forecast for USD JPY based on technical analysis. We're expecting a price increase toward 154.35 and 156.50, provided that 148.60 holds as support. Keep an eye on those charts and trade wisely. Catch you in the next analysis.